Right, we're removing the starter on a 2.8 liter Duramax diesel. Got to clearance the mount. Remove the dipstick tube. Remove the stud and nut that holds the fuel lines on, and then it's just a matter of angling it right to get it out. Might save you some time. She's alive. 2019 Colorado, 2.8 liter. Good to go. We'll run it down the road and see if everything's good to go.